I am going to be wearing this wig today, right here. See? This wig is by a company called Clay Hair, and it is beautiful. Let me tell you, first of all, Clay hair wigs really last a long time, which is very important because when you're buying human hair wigs, it's an investment. It's not cheap, and you want to make sure that your money is really going towards something of value, right? So this hair right here, it's definitely worth it. I'll tell you the pros and cons just really quick in case you're interested. So number one, that's the hairspray, because I put it on like every day. It's just hairspray, nothing crazy. It's been bleached, so see how it kind of looks golden inside? It's because it was already pre-bleached. And the good thing about that is if you look at the lace, it gives you kind of like that skin color look already. And if you're like my skin color or lighter, this will work well for you. You don't usually have to put much makeup there, because what happens is normally there's like these little dots which will be darker, and that's where they literally like sewed the hair strands into it. So you don't want that to show, because you don't want people usually to know that you're wearing a wig, right? You don't want them to see a bunch of black dots there. Like, what the hell is that? So this one, they went in and they bleached those little dots for you, and that just helps so much. And then they also like made sure that here in the front it has less hair than what it has here, because naturally you tend to have like baby hairs and just kind of like less amount of hair in the front than you do everywhere else. So they really went a long way to try to mimic that. And then they have they also have like this comb to go underneath your hair in the back to just like really hold it in. And they also have these bra strap looking things so that you can adjust how tight you want it. So they don't have any clips inside where you would kind of like clip it into your hair. They don't have that. But so that's actually the only thing that's a bummer to me, because I do wear wigs a lot, and those are like my go-to. Okay, I love when they have the combs. They have like these clippy combs you just put in here, put in here. They'll usually be on this side of the wig instead of this stuff right here. And so it'll hold it, it'll like help stay in place. But this one doesn't have that, so that's kind of sucky. But other than that, it's a 7-inch, so it's 7 from here to here. From here to here, it's 7 inches, and then from here to back, it's 5 inches. It's very natural looking, so I'm gonna put it on. You're gonna see how effing fast this is to put on, okay? Watch. Okay, so I'm gonna beat that down. Hold on. Okay, number one, super fast. Did you see that? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, since it doesn't have any combs like I was mentioning, this shit is just gonna push back on me. Like, I'm the kind of girl, I don't know what's wrong with my head, I can't even keep a damn headband on. Anytime I have a headband on, unless it's like the ones that's just like this, if it's like the ones that goes all around, that bit is coming off. Like, it will slip back. I don't know what's up with my head, but it just does not grip onto any kind of headband. Okay, so this is not gonna stay. It's just not. So what I need to do is, I actually don't use like official wig glue, I just do hairspray. So I'll go like that, and I use Got To Be Glue hairspray, and this just like comes off with water, or literally you just put your effing finger underneath, you go like that, boom, and it just like comes off. So this is like my daily go-to. Okay, I'll just watch this. Look, okay, look how quick it's gonna be. Watch. I'm just gonna like this in the white part where I don't have any hair really, but if it gets in your hair, it's okay. I'm just gonna go like that, and I'm just gonna bring it down. Boom. Okay, now hold on. Now what I like to do is I like to press it down. Okay, so I'm gonna press it down, and I'm doing that so that the lace that's there, see, like you can kind of see the difference in color. But if anyone, like, because you just saw me put this shit on, but like anyone else on the street is not gonna know that I just put on this wig, I mean, like, seriously, it doesn't look like a wig. Like, I could be walking around like this, you're gonna think this is my hair. So, okay, so I kind of let it dry a little bit. I'm trying not to move too much because I don't want it to move back or anything like that. And then I will just air it out, or I'll use what's it called? Oh my god, what is it called? A blow dryer. But I'm not using that right now because I honestly don't do that every day unless I'm really going all out. But right now I'm just trying to like make it look good and make, you know, put it on. So I go like that. It's gonna be a little sticky, and that's when I go really pushing it in. And hold on, there's a specific brush I'm looking for right here. All right, this is like my flattening brush, so I like to go like this. And like this, and it just like makes the lace really get on there, and it also kind of just like brushes the hair off of being sticky. The reason why I'm not pushing it back, you know, like that, to really get it out of it, is because I actually like this look where it's like down in the front and then I like going like this. I just think that looks, I don't know, I think it looks hot. I think it looks pretty. So this is the Bye Bye Knots 7x5 wig from Kliyi Hair. That's Kliyi hair. And this one is one that has blonde highlights. Now this actual wig color is a very natural, like black brunette kind of color. It's not too black, and I'm gonna be honest, this is like the first wig that really has my actual natural like black brown hair color, because all the other ones are like either too brown or just too black. This one was like just right. I'm talking about we just Goldilocks this bit. I mean, just right. Okay, I love this color, and please subscribe to my channel. This wig is actually a body wave wig. So what does that mean? It means that it comes with kind of like a natural barrel curl kind of wave going on, okay? And it's supposed to be so that I can curl it with a curling wand or rollers. And so I got it like that, right? Because I was thinking, oh my gosh, for work, I'll be so cute. I'll feel like really glam and fabulous if I can just put some quick curls in it. Every night, I'm just gonna put it on my foam head. I'm gonna put some curls in there, and then I'm just gonna leave it overnight. Well, if you look at my shorts, you're gonna see what happened when I tried that, because it was a fail. Okay, it did not take a curl for ish. It came with the curls, but once I washed it, that's it. So the only con of this wig is that it gets frizzy. You see how it's like frizzy right now? It gets frizzy, and you see how it's not completely straight like it is, but kind of has like a little wave to it, like as if I've been sweating in it and in humid weather all day. Well, I could be in the house and just chilling, and it'll at the end of the day still look like that, which bothers me because then I have to go back in and straighten it every single morning, because again, it doesn't take a curl. So if you guys have any suggestions for that, please let me know, especially if you can take a look at that short, and then let me know like if I did something wrong, because I'm just like, what the hell, like bro, take a damn curl. But other than that, this wig is extremely comfortable. I mean, really comfortable. You don't get like extra hot on it, because there's some wigs that make you really hot, because in essence you're basically kind of wearing like a fur coat but on your head. So this one doesn't do that. And yeah, I do have some, another con though that I have is that this part, like the actual lace, where the hell is it? Okay, you see, like it doesn't even show up to here. So the lace is supposed to be 7. It's supposed to be 7. So it's supposed to at least come to here. So if I was really bald, like I did not have front hair, okay, I would be screwed, because it's a liar. Like the lace literally goes, it just like, it goes like this, the lace. See that? Instead of going like this. So I can put it on my actual forehead. So that's the other con. The way that they structured the lace is no good. But comfortable, beautiful, natural looking, A1. A1. So I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten it a bit more for my video. And by the way, this highlight too, see that? I'm gonna see another light tone, how it comes out. No, it's too warm. It's kind of a cooler light. I'm just trying to see which one I think it really looks like in real life. Let me see. I think it looks like this in real life, yeah. So it really looks like this, and I think it just goes so well with the wig color. It really gives something out, really brings out your skin tone. Well, everybody that's on here, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I want to say thank you to everyone that is here and that has joined, and everyone that has liked and subscribed and joined in the chat. I appreciate your time so much. And if you could share my channel with others and help me grow my channel, it'd be awesome. And thank you, everybody. Have a great night. Bye.